Good day everyone, my report is short stories and novels reflecting Filipino society and culture. Okay, short stories, often referred to as a slice of life, is a fictitious narrative compressed into one unit of time, place, and fiction. It deals with a single character, interest, single emotion called forth by a single emotion. So my two example here is Mayday Eve by Nick Joaquin and Footnote Youth by Garcia Villa. So Mayday Eve is this is a perfect short story that reflects our society and culture as a Filipino, because we as a Filipino, we believe in pamaian and other magic thing called. So yeah, this is a perfect example, reflects our society and culture as a Filipino. Just like I said, we believe in pamaian and other stuff that deals with magic. So my second example in the short stories reflecting our society and culture as a Filipino is Footnote Youth by Jose Garcia Villa. So the story goes by Dodong, who is 17 years old, who wants to marry Tiyang. Then he insists to marry Tiyang in an early age, so his father pumayag na magpakasal sila in an early age. So Tiyang give birth to Blas, who happened to be their first children. So Tiyang and Dodong have 7 children in the story. So when Dodong have children, especially Blas, he realized that life being a father in an early age is very difficult and struggles. So in the end of the story, Blas nagpamaalam din sa kanyang ama Dodong na he wants to marry also in an early age of his life. So Dodong gave advice to Blas about what is the consequences in his decision, or on what will be his duty as a father sooner. So this is very precise short story that reflects our society and culture nowadays, because here in the Philippines we face teenage pregnancy, high percentage of teenage pregnancy nowadays. So yeah, this is very precise short stories that reflects our society nowadays and our culture, that when our father married in early age, some of the family, their children also married in an early age of their life also. This is fact, guys. This is not like lango-lango or joke, but this is true. So we move on to the novel. So let's move on to novel. Novel is a fictitious narrative with a complicated plot. It may have a main plot and one or more subplots that develop with a main plot. Characters and actions representative of the real life of the past or present times are portrayed in a plot. It is made up of chapters. So my 2 examples here is the 2 famous novels written by Dr. Rizal, who is Noli Me Tangere and Il Filibusterismo. So both novels reflect the social, political, and religious injustice that Filipino experienced during the Spanish colonial period. So this novel writer is very precise, that reflects our society and culture as a Filipino, because in the Christianity pa lang, It is very precise because we as Filipinos, um, more of us, many of us rather, is Christians. So doon pa lang, it reflects our culture and society. So let's move on to they also highlights the courage and resilience of the Filipinos in the face of adversities. So these works have not only shaped Filipino identity but also continue to inspire the fight against social injustices and the pursuit of genuine freedom and democracy. So as a Filipino, we always do what is right, for us. We also fight for social injustices. So this is very normal for us as a Filipino. So the both novel also shows patriotism and nationalism. So this is a very precise example of novel that reflects our Filipino society and culture. So thank you for listening, guys. That will be all. Thank you.